Hi guys, and welcome back on our Cuba Design YouTube channel. Here in Happy New Year in 2023, we completely continue our job with the G-Wagons, with the overall parts and carbon fiber exterior trim. So we have a customer that wanted for his 3-door G-Wagon the carbon fiber trim around. That's called mouldings with its insertions. As you can see, they are flexible, also made with the carbon fiber. As for the mouldings, they are solid carbon. Flexed here. And what's the special thing about these mouldings, that for 3-door G-Wagon they are completely different, because we have less mouldings than in like for 5-door G-Wagon, but the rear one are much longer. That's why we needed to compare the dimensions and make them as long as it should be. Also, as for 3-door G-Wagon, the lower mouldings that comes on the side step, and the edges come as for the fender flares, are shorter. Also has 2 pieces, but these mouldings, for example, are longer, and these one are shorter. Also, we can make the Mansory style, like, you know, the LED lights here. It's remote controlled, and it's being illuminated while night. So just so you know, we make the parts for exclusive cars like 3-door G-Wagons, because they were rare and the customer still wanted to be happy. That's why we make the orders exactly for them. Stay tuned, subscribe, thank you.